Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, secure the vehicle and remove metal jewelry to prevent shorts. Once the hood is open, expose the battery by removing any covers. Note the positive, plus, and negative minus terminals so you won't reverse polarity. You're doing this to avoid sparks and damage. Make sure you have a proper wrench, a terminal cleaner, and safety glasses within reach. Begin by loosening the negative terminal clamp slightly to check fit. This confirms the hardware is accessible before full connection. You attach the positive, plus, clamp first because it prevents shorting to chassis ground when you later handle the negative. Once the clamp sits squarely on the post, tighten until snug, don't crush the terminal. Then move to the negative minus. Slide the clamp fully onto the post and tighten similarly to secure electrical continuity. If corrosion is present, clean both clamp and post with the brush before final tightening. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to inhibit future corrosion. You finish by inspecting the clamps. They should not move or rotate on the posts, and protective covers should be replaced. Once done, start the engine and watch gauges, lights, and accessory function to confirm good connection. If the vehicle doesn't start or electronics act odd, turn everything off and recheck clamp tightness and correct polarity immediately because reverse connection can damage electronics. For one troubleshooting tip, if you see heavy corrosion, disconnect and clean again before retrying to ensure reliable contact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.